Welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel and downgrade macOS to earlier version on any Mac. This video is device into 4 steps. First is download macOS Mojave from MacOS Catalina. Second is make a macOS Mojave bootable drive. Third is install macOS Mojave on a Mac, and last is set up Mojave on Mac. Officially, Apple doesn't allow to download earlier macOS after release of latest compatible macOS. After release it, we have to download using this way. Search MacOS Mojave App Store in Google. Here I found the below link or use link given in video description. Once you open page, click on View on Mac App Store and your Mac will open App Store and MacOS Mojave setup file. Click on Get button to download it on Mac System Drive. Once you download file, it will locate it under Finders Applications folder. After that, we are ready to make bootable drive. We must need bootable drive to downgrade macOS. So first check the drive has at least 8 GB or 16 GB storage. Plug your USB drive to Mac and open terminal using Spotlight Search or under Application and Utility folder. On your Mac, run command that given in video description. Change your USB drive name with actual name. Here for me, drive name is Untitled under Finder window. After that, press return to run command. Here I got the message, press Y to process. After press Y keyboard key. First your USB drive will erase, and after erase it, new setup file will copy to drive that we can use for install macOS. It will take few minutes or wait for a long time until you see the message like install media new available. Now next is how to install macOS Mojave that downgrade macOS Catalina using bootable drive. Plug your USB drive and turn off and turn on your Mac. Also quickly press and hold on Option Alt key until you see the startup disk screen. Click on bootable drive that named install macOS Mojave. After that, your Mac will prepare for install new macOS from drive. Now after wait, your Mac will show macOS utility window. Click on install macOS and click the continue button. Now macOS Mojave set is start and keep continue. In between you will get the option for select the installation drive. Here you have to select primary drive that installed macOS Catalina. Select it and click on install button. Wait for a few minutes and follow the setup instruction and watch the video till end. Here I installed macOS Mojave successfully on my Mac that running macOS Catalina. During setup we can restore backup from Time Machine that saved on Mac or Windows PC. Once you find login screen of macOS Mojave, don't miss to like this video, share and subscribe for more helping tutorial and tips.